Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Evergreen, there lived 5 ducks, 5 cats, 5 dogs, 5 monkeys, 5 hawks, and 5 princesses. Each of them was special in their own way, with unique abilities and qualities that made them stand out from the rest. As Christmas approached, the entire kingdom was abuzz with excitement. The streets were decorated with twinkling lights. The air was filled with the sweet scent of gingerbread cookies, and everyone was in high spirits looking forward to the festivities. The 5 ducks, known for their grace and elegance, decided to organize a grand Christmas feast by the serene duck pond. They spent days preparing delicious dishes like roasted duck with orange glaze, duck confit with cherry sauce, and duck liver plate. The aroma wafted through the air, tempting the other animals in the kingdom. The 5 cats, known for their agility and stealth, offered to entertain the guests with a dazzling display of acrobatics. They leaped and tumbled, somersaulting through the air with grace and precision, leaving the audience in awe of their skills. The 5 dogs, known for their loyalty and bravery, stood guard at the entrance to ensure the safety of the guest. With their keen sense of smell and sharp eyesight, they patrolled the perimeter, ready to spring into action at the first sign of danger. The 5 monkeys, known for their mischief and playfulness, were tasked about decorating the Christmas tree with baubles, tinsel, and twinkling lights. They swung from branch to branch, chattering and laughing as they worked together to create a masterpiece that sparkled and shimmered in the moonlight. The 5 hawks, known for their keen eyesight and powerful wings, soared high above the kingdom, keeping watch over the festivities. From their vantage point in the sky, they could see everything that was happening below and alert the others to any potential threats or dangers. At last, but not least, the 5 princesses, known for their beauty and grace, were the guests of honor at the Christmas feast. Dressed in gowns of silk and satin, adorned with jewels and pearls, they sparkled like stars in the night sky, their laughter filling the air with joy and merriment. As the night wore on, the animals of the evergreen came together to celebrate Christmas in true festive spirit. They ate, drank, danced, and sang, their hearts filled with love and happiness. The ducks quacked, the cats purred, the dogs barked, the monkeys chattered, the hawks screeched, and the princesses laughed, creating a symphony of sounds that echoed through the kingdom. And as they celebrated, a message of unity, cooperation, and friendship emerged. Each animal, with their own unique talents and abilities, had played a crucial role in the making Christmas feast a success. They had worked together, putting aside their differences and coming together as one big family to spread joy and cheer to all. And so, as the clock struck midnight and the stars twinkled overhead, the animals of Evergreen made a promise to each other to always stand by one another, to support and protect each other, and to never forget the true spirit of Christmas: love, kindness, and generosity. And as they headed home, their hearts full of warmth and happiness, the animals of Evergreen knew that they had experienced a truly magical Christmas that would stay with them forever. A Christmas where 5 ducks, 5 cats, 5 dogs, 5 monkeys, 5 hawks, and 5 princesses had come together to celebrate the joy of the season and the power of friendship.